And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 197. Let me show the neon glow filter. I press Ctrl J to copy the original, then I go to filter, filter gallery. I zoom out. And then you can find it under artistic. It's the 6th option right here, neon glow, or use the drop down where it's sorted alphabetically. We've got 3 ways to adjust it. First one is the glow size, and that controls the extent of the glow spread. So how far should the light effects reach? You can also go into the negatives here, but at around 0 it basically starts to fill the entire image, and then you can adjust the intensity from there on. Second adjustment option is the glow brightness, and that adjusts the intensity, or you could also say luminosity of the glow. That's going to make it appear brighter or dimmer. And finally we have the glow color, which does exactly what it sounds like. It affects the color of the glow. Let me go to 0 around 11, and then I want to pick reddish glow, something very intense, maybe this here. Confirm we are okay, and this is how you can use the neon glow filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.